Hats have to double as protection and a fashion statement, so they should be practical and attractive. The best beach hats protect your face and sometimes your shoulders from the sun while also looking great. You need a beach hat for 2 reasons: to protect yourself from the sun and to look stylish on the beach. A beach hat can fill both roles if you choose the right one. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best beach hats available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out my video description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Simplicity Foldable Straw Sun Visor. The only thing that kept this Simplicity Foldable Straw Sun Visor from being our overall best beach hat choice is the lack of protection you get for the top of your head with the visor. Everything else about the hat is exactly what we look for in a sun hat. This visor is a great choice for people who wear their hair in a ponytail, bun, or other updo that won't fit into a traditional, closed crown hat. The Velcro brand closure makes it easy to take on or off without interfering with your hairstyle. The lightweight straw visor lets your head breathe while still providing sun protection for your face of UPF 50+. Simplicity designed this hat to roll up and take up almost no space in a bag, so it keeps its shape well. You can adjust the circumference from 20 to 23 inches to get the best fit. The wicking sweatband keeps your forehead dry, and the extra wide brim extends all the way around, unlike most visors, to protect the back of your neck. Number 4. Chalk Lids Frayed Bucket Hats. Cool and breathable 100% cotton makes up our favorite bucket beach hat from Chalk Lids. This hat comes in various bright and cheerful colors, pastels, and neutral shades like beige and tan. The natural cotton lets your head breathe, and eyelets allow even more airflow. The material provides UPF 50+ UV protection and gives enough shade to protect your face and eyes from the sun. If you sweat a lot in this hat, you can throw it in a washing machine and dryer, unlike a paper straw hat. This bucket hat is an excellent choice for people who don't want a big brim but want to cover their heads. The frayed edge gives this beach hat the appearance of a well-worn and loved accessory that fits in with a shabby chic style perfect for any beach. Number 3. Ultra Braid X Large Brim Hat. The Ultra Braid X Large Brim Hat from the San Diego Hat Company is the best beach hat with an extra large brim. The 8-inch brim makes this a big, floppy hat that provides ultimate sun protection and makes a bold fashion statement. This wide brim hat comes in several different colors and measures a whopping 24.5 inches from brim to brim. The opening measures 7.5 inches across, so it should be a good fit for most people. The hat is made from a synthetic fishing line woven with straw and provides UPF 50+ sun protection. Despite its size, it's as foldable and crushable as similar, smaller hats. The hat style brings to mind celebrities and fashion icons from the 40s and 50s who wore large floppy hats to make a fashion statement. The extra large brim will keep the sun off your face and your shoulders while making you look like a starlet. Number 2. Sunset Hat Women. Sunday afternoon sunset hat is our pick for a cowboy-style beach hat. Everyone should have a cowboy hat in their closet, so it might as well be one designed to give you a western look while keeping you cool in the sun. This hat also offers an option over the traditional straw hats. Made from 100% polyester, it features a 3.75 inches brim you can shape that blocks 98% of UV rays for a 50+ UPF rating. A solid polyester hat could be an oven in the sun, but the braided polyester strands that make up this hat provide ventilation and airflow while still blocking sunlight. A built-in sweatband keeps you dry, and a leatherette chin strap keeps your hat on when it's windy. A matching leatherette headband decorated with beads adds a touch of style. This sunset hat can be your perfect beach hat if you love the cowboy look. Choose medium or large in a variety of colors. Number 1. Straw Panama Beach Hat. This Lansum Straw Panama hat is lightweight paper straw with a 10% polyester addition to make it more flexible and comfortable to wear. The brim stretches 2.9 inches and the hat is 22.5 inches in circumference. A rope inside the hat lets you adjust the size instead of a strap, but it should fit most except those with small heads. The Panama hat is easy to fold and pack in a beach bag or luggage for your trip to the sea. The shaped crown and Panama style provide some fashion flair while keeping you cool and protected up to UPF 50+ from the sun's UV rays. You don't have to stick with straw colors since this hat is available in over 24 colors and hatband color combinations. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.